Now listen here. Exercise 4.2. The question number 11. Already 1 to 10 over. The 11th problem. Prove that sin b minus c divided by cos b cos c plus sin c minus a divided by cos c cos a plus sin a minus b equal to cos a cos b equal to 0. Now you want to consider this problem. Need not start with LHS. Lengthy calculation will come. That's why I will consider any one of the term. I will consider the last term because the denominator will be same, no change. What is the numerator? It is of the form sin a minus b. What is the formula? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now this can be known as sin a cos b, the denominator, minus cos a sin b divided by cos a into cos b, denominator. This will cancel, this will cancel. Sin a by cos a is what? Tan a minus sin b by cos b is what? Tan b. This is actually sin of a minus b divided by cos a into cos b. Now similarly you will prove the next part, sin c minus a divided by sin a into sin a equal to a b will come is tan a tan b. A c minus a means tan c minus tan a will come. Am I correct? Again similarly sin b minus c divided by sin b into sin c. What is the answer? Tan b minus tan c will come. Now adding, we get first left hand side. What is first term? What is LHS at play? This LHS you know. Now directly start with LHS. LHS equal to sin b minus c divided by sin b. Sorry, here this is the cos. Am I right? Cos c cos a. Here also cos b cos c. What is the question? Cos b cos c plus sin c minus a divided by cos c cos a plus sin a minus b by cos a cos b. This first one is what? This one. First one is what? Cos b minus this one. Tan b minus tan c. Next one is what? Built up. Plus tan c and minus tan a. This first one. Tan a minus tan. All comes to be cancelled, we get 0. That is all answer. Am I right? All cancel, 1 plus 1 minus, that will cancel. Because out of these three terms, it is a tan sin a minus b. That's why I will start with the last, then middle, then first. Now write LHS, substitute the value, automatically all the terms cancel. We get answer 0. That is answer. Now listen here, what the question? For tan a minus tan b equal to x, and cot b minus cot a equal to y, then prove that cot of a minus b equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now x value y value you don't know. That's why I start with the RHS. What is RHS? 1 by x, 1 by y. 1 by x. Okay? 1 by denominator is what? Tan a minus tan b plus 1 by here cot b minus cot a. Okay? Once again the same thing here, tan a minus tan b. Now it is of the form cot is what? 1 by tan b minus 1 by tan a. Now take LCM. The first term no change at all. Next time is what? Tan b tan a is LCM. Cross multiply. Tan a equal to tan a minus tan b. Reciprocal is what? Plus tan a into tan b numerator by denominator is what? Tan a minus tan b. Already what is there? Tan a minus tan b already denominator. The same denominator numerator. Now tan a is in this value. The denominator will be equal, which is equal to 1 tan a minus tan b. Here numerator is what? 1 plus tan a to tan b. Alright? Now it is of the form, what is the formula? This can be as 1 divided by, what is this once again? Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. It is of the form 1 by tan of A minus B. Am I right? Now what is reciprocal? Cot of A minus B. That is LHS. This problem I am start with RHS. What is the reason? Because RHS involves X and Y. X value will be already given. Substitute X and Y value. Then take the fundamental formula. Take LCM. Then reciprocal. That is the formula for tan A minus B. For 1 by tan is cot. This type of problem 5%. Now 32%, if sin alpha plus sin beta equals 1A and cos alpha plus cos beta will be, then prove that cos of alpha minus beta equal to A square plus B square minus 2 divided by 2. What is given? A equals sin alpha plus sin beta. B is cos alpha plus cos beta. The answer involves A square B square. That's why I am squaring and adding. The first one is what? Sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. Next one is what? Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square. That's square and adding. Now it is of the form A plus B whole square. What is the formula? A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. Am I right? Here plus second formula cos squared alpha cos squared beta plus 2 into cos alpha into cos beta. Copy this to sin square alpha plus cos square 1. Sin square beta plus cos square beta also 1. Out of these two terms, 2 is common. What remain term? Cos alpha, cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta. 1 plus 2 plus 2 into, it is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula? Cos of A minus B. Am I right? Replace is what? A square plus B square. Now, the A square plus B square minus 2 equal to 2 into cos of alpha minus beta. Again cross multiply by 2 equal to cos of alpha minus beta. Therefore, cos of alpha minus beta equal to A square plus B square minus 2 by 2 is the answer. This particular problem, directly LHS RHS is coming. What is the reason? In the question, what is A square by B square? A we already given. That's why squaring and adding, we get the 3 term. Coming this 2 term, we get 1 because of identity. Cos square alpha plus sin square 1. Cos square beta plus sin square 1. 2 is common. Now it is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula? Cos of A minus B. Here cos of alpha minus beta. Then we get the answer LHS equal to RHS. That's all. Now listen here. 14th question. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Pi is what? 180. Pi 4. 80. Now divided by 4. 40 pi by 2. Divided by 2. 22 and half degree. This is pi by 8 is what? Tan 22 and half. Now to find is what? Tan of 22 and half. What is that? It's a pi by 8, 22 and half. We know formula. We know tan 2a equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, this is a formula. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a is a formula. Now put a equal to 22 and half. Am I right? So tan of 2 into 22 and half equal to 2 into tan 22 and half divided by 1 minus tan square 22 and half. Am I right? Am I right? Now multiply tan 45 degree. Am I right? You could again the same thing. The simplification is not possible. That's why once we write the same thing. Am I right? Tan 45 is 1. 1 and cross multiply 1 minus tan square 22 and half. Am I right? Equal to 2 times tan 22 and half. Now arrange the equation. 1 into something is 1. Here now put tan 22 and a half. Let it be x. Alright? Substitute 1 is something only. Now 1 minus x square equal to 2 into x. Because this is tan 20 over x, no? But tan square of x square is 2 into x. Arrange the equation. Equal to what? 0 equal to x square plus 2x minus 1. Am I right? Of x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now factorization is not possible. Am I right? That's why a equal to 1, b equal to c equal to minus 1. What's the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 2a by 2a. Root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute here. B is what? Minus 2 plus or minus b square 4. 4 into 1 into minus 1. That is what? Plus 4. That time you understand. 2 into 1. Minus 2 plus 8. The 8 can be written as 4 to 5, no? For 2 root 2. Now divided by 2. What is the answer? This can be minus 2 by 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2. Cancel down. Minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2. Now, here you write the answer minus 1 plus 2 root 2. So 2 cancel down. Only 2. You write the answer only minus 1 plus root 2. Comma. Minus 1 minus 2 is not possible. What is the reason? Already told you, since 22 and a half is acute with this reason. Acute means below 90. Below 90 means first quadrant. In first quadrant all positive. Alright? They both negative and negative, don't know. That is not possible. But this is positive. What is the reason? Root 2 is 1.4. Minus 1 is positive. That's why you are right in terms of root 2 minus 1. X is also is what? Tan 22 and a half. This is the answer. By deriving the value of tan 22 and a half is root 2 minus 1 is the answer. This is also important. 3 more question. A. Write the suitable formula, substitute the a value, we get the quadratic equation tan 22 and a half. That would be x. Now quadratic equation x, solve this equation by using formula method because that method is not possible. Which method? That is not possible. Only by using formula method or complete the square method. Here this is easy method for you. Last one is plus or minus will come, out of plus or minus, you will consider only plus. What is the reason? You consider negative sign, both negative mean, that is not possible. Because of 22 and a half is below 90, that is acute angle, that is the first quadrant, will possible all positive. That is the answer. Now listen here, tan alpha is 1 by 7, tan beta is 1 by root 10. Prove that alpha plus 2 beta is pi by 4. But tan alpha already given, alpha is given, but only beta is given. We want tan beta. This is actually sin beta. Question is what? Sin beta. Anyway, from sin beta, you will find the tan beta. Am I right? That's why, what is given? Sin beta equal to 1 by root 10. This is the opposite by right quadrant angle. This is the triangle. This is the beta. Opposite 1 5 by root 10. We want, so you know, what is formula? Root 10 to whole square minus 1. That is what? Root 10 whole square only 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Root of 9. That is 3. We want tan beta. What is the formula? Opposite by acute. Opposite by this tan beta. But here 2 beta we want. That's why write the formula for tan 2 beta equal to tan 2 beta by 1 minus tan square beta is the formula. 2 into 1 by 3. Here 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square. Now only one is what? 2 by 3 divided by here 1 by 3 whole square is 9. But 9 is LCM 9 minus 1. Now reciprocal is what? 2 by 3 in 9 by 8. 1 time, 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 4 times. But 3 by 4. This is called tan 2 beta equal 3 by 4. Now you want to prove alpha plus tan 2 beta is equal to pi by 4. That's why I want to start with the tan of alpha 2 beta formula. It is about tan alpha plus beta. Because you want to prove alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. That's why I am start with the tan of alpha plus beta. Because tan alpha already given, tan beta 2 beta already find out. As sin beta given from this one, you will find sin beta and also sin beta already find out. But we know the value for tan 2 beta. That's why I put the formula for tan alpha plus 2 beta. Not sin alpha plus 2 beta. Not cos alpha plus 2 beta. Because already tan alpha given, tan beta already find out. That's why we are using tan of something formula. What is the formula? It is tan A plus B. Tan A, tan B, 1 minus tan A, the tan B. B is actually 2 beta. Equal tan alpha already given 1 by 7. This is only for 3 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 7, 3 by 4. Now limit is what? 28 LCM cross multiply 4 plus 41. Here 28 LCM, 28 minus 3. Can you know? So 25 by 25 equal 1. Am I right? Left hand side, tan of alpha plus 2 beta. Right hand side only no. So 1 can be tan of 5 by 4. The tan cancel. This is the answer. That's all. Now all the exercises are over. 15 problem, all the exercises are over.